Hello students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 7 from your supplementary reader Vistas. Evans tries an O level, written by Colin Dexter. This story is about Ivan, who was also called the Break. He got this name because he was quite good at breaking out of prisons. However, as Evans was now brought to Oxford prison, it was difficult to pull off such stunts. Oxford prison had very strict officers and assistants. Thus, this time Evans decides to take a long way to escape this prison. In this story, we learn about his attempt to break through using a very clever plan. He even includes his friends and befriends and other people on the way to accomplish his mission. Basically, he uses an O-level exam to try and break out, which is why this exam carries importance. Further, we learn about the wit of the criminal and how it helps him escape. Ivan tries an O-level summary in English. The story begins with a criminal named Ivan. Ivan is already famous for breaking out from many prisons, thus, he is now at Oxford prison. We see that the secretary of the examination board gets a call from HM prison's governor. He learns that Ivan has begun with night classes in O-level German. Thus, he wishes to get an academic qualification. So, they all make the necessary arrangements for this same. On inquiry, they learn Ivan has no record of violence. Instead, he is rather amusing. Finally, they decide to host the exam in Ivan's room and send for an invigilator from St. Mary Max. The governor is very vigilant throughout as he knows what Evans is capable of pulling off. Thus, the authorities do their best to help Evans excel at the exam. They hire a German tutor for him. He teaches Evans for 6 months and Ivan even befriends him during that time. The tutor wishes him luck but feels that he does not stand a chance to clear the exam. However, Evans tells him that he may surprise everybody. Thus, the day of the exam arrives and his cell is being inspected now. The officers take away anything that he may use to injure himself. They try to take the hat away, but Evans insists, saying it is his lucky charm. Moreover, they also bugged Evans' cell for the governor to listen through everything. They searched the invigilator and then he reaches his cell to carry out the exam. An officer kept peeping in the cell to make sure everything was all right. The exam executes without any trouble and Stephen escorts the invigilator out to the main gate. In Ivan's cell, they find out that the invigilator is lying injured. They went in search of Evans but find out that he has escaped prison. Moreover, when they do not find the invigilator in the hospital, they go to visit his residence. They reach there to find out that it was a fraud. Finally, the governor puts together the missing pieces of the puzzle. He learns that the invigilator was Ivan's friend and he swapped places with him and fooled everyone. They immediately go to the hotel where Evans was staying and captured him. The governor becomes happy, thinking his game is over, and sends him to a prison van. However, Evans manages to pull off one last stunt as the prison officer and prison one were also part of his plan. Finally, he becomes a free man. Conclusion of Ivan's tries and O level. To sum up Ivan's tries and O level summary, we learn about an interesting clash between criminal and the law enforcement and how a person's wit can take him very far. I hope you have understood this lesson. Your homework is answer the following questions. Thank you.